roasted white bread. So let's get started our recipe, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. So let's get started. So guys, let's get started our recipe. I have required flour, gluten and bread improver, salt, milk powder, refined oil, yeast and sugar and water. So first of all, we are going to make a flying fermentation activation of yeast. So I am going to add water, mix it well. After that, cover it and rest it. Give 5 to 7 minutes for activation of yeast. After that, we make a dough, bread dough. So guys, my yeast is activated. After that, mix gluten and bread improver in flour, milk powder, salt, mix it well. In that, add yeast water, mix it well and make a smooth dough. Continuously mix and add required water and make a smooth dough. Once my all ingredients are well combined, add oil and make a smooth dough. Use by hand, using with hand, stretch like this and make a smooth dough. So guys, my bread dough is ready. Cover this dough or rest or give first proofing for half an hour. Once the dough double in size, then we give to fill and bake it our bread. Guys, for bread filling, I have required capsicum, onions, cottage cheese, paneer and boiled potatoes. So guys, take a pan, switch on the gas, add 2-3 drops of oil, refined oil, that's it. Once my oil is heated, then add onions. Stir fry the onions. Once onions are slightly brown, then add capsicum. So guys, my onion is slightly stirred, then add capsicum in it and mix it well. Once capsicum is slightly soft, then add potatoes. So guys, my capsicum is soft, then add little amount of salt, turmeric, haldi powder. After that, add garam masala in it and mix it well. All spices are well combined, then add chili flakes in it and mix it well. Add boiled potato, boiled mashed potato and mix it well. So guys, my boiled potato is well combined. Add grated cottage cheese or paneer. Mix it well. So guys, my switch off the gas or my filling is ready. Bread filling is ready. Completely cool. Then fill it in a dough. So guys, my dough is proofed properly and my filling is ready. So fingertips coat with flour and remove the dough. Dust some flour on a surface. Tap it like this and give knock back like this, like this, like this. So guys, divide the dough in 2 equal pieces. one part. Dust some flour and with the help of rolling pin, roll the dough in a rectangular shape. So guys, my dough is spread evenly. Spread the filling on the top like this and evenly spread on all the sides. So guys, my filling is spread evenly. After that, roll it like this and make a round like this. Turn and roll. After that, at the end, pinch it like this and make a roll like this. After that, align this loose bread loaf in a tray like this and cut the edges. So guys, my loaf is ready. In the same process, I am ready with the second loaf. Then I show you. So guys, my bread shape is done. Give it second proofing or rest 30 minutes till the size double in size. After that, we bake our bread. My bread is proofed properly. In that, on the top, I am giving a milk wash. Milk and sugar mixed in a bowl. Mix in a bowl and apply on a top. On the top like this. Like this. After that, coat the bread with the help of knife. Sharp knife like this. Like this. And bake at 200 degrees Celsius for around 15 to 20 minutes till the golden color on the top. Preheated oven at a 200 degrees Celsius. Bread is baked properly. On the top, I am applying oil for giving a smoothness or shine. My bread is ready to serve. Enjoy this video and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Bye bye guys. See you